All right, y'all, let's be honest. Adobe Express is one of the most slept on apps that are out here. A lot of people trust Canva. I don't have anything against Canva. I just personally don't use it. I'm a Adobe type of guy. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you more about on the secrets and everything that Adobe Express has to offer you as a designer or a content creator. Now, let's be honest. When it comes to content creation and this day and age, speed truly matters. And if you're able to create the content and create everything from your phone the same way I do, you also need something that's going to help you export that content and move it as quickly as possible. And Adobe Express is one of those things. Now, I have not been sponsored for this. Hopefully one day I will be, but I'm just going to give you an inside look on how I use Adobe Express and how it helps me to create content and stay on schedule and produced on the go when it's time to make this content for you guys. Adobe Express helps you take a fraction of the time. Now, for me, I use my iPad and I use my iPhone whenever I'm out creating content on the go. If I really need to sit down and work on a personal or passion project or a project for a client, that's when the desktop comes in. But Adobe Express allows me to work within that as well. I'm able to send templates and things of that nature to the client and help them with their design. And I'm able to send templates, editable templates, and all types of things to the customer or my client whenever they need them. When you have easy tools like Adobe Express, it makes the content and discipline easy. Again, it's not all about, it's a mixture of both. It's about the tools and the creator. And Adobe Express makes discipline and content creation very easy. Now let's talk about it. Thumbnails. If you're creating thumbnails on the go, whether that's thumbnails for your shorts, your YouTube videos, or your TikToks, whatever it is, thumbnails can be created easily using Adobe Express. They have many templates that you can use. I personally like to use the templates when I'm really in a rush or push for time. I simply just create the thumbnail, or I simply just use a template and edit it, and there you go. A thumbnail on the go with no problems. Adobe Express is the perfect tool for creators. It doesn't matter if you're creating reels, if you're creating social posts, or quick branding graphics. Adobe Express has everything that you need. I mean, it has changed my workflow and everything that I do dramatically. It makes it so much easier for me, especially when it comes time to just get these things done. I no longer have to worry about sitting right in front of the computer or recreating a lot of things. Adobe Express allows you to do these things. If you need a brand guide and it's on the go and you're just out, hey, look at me, I'm in my car and I'm able to do any and everything that I need on the go quickly without having to sit directly in front of a computer. That's major. Now, as always, everything starts with the foundations of design. So learn layout. If you learn and understand layout, it makes your templates look better and it's easier for you to create in Adobe Express using templates. Along with layout, if you're understanding and you have knowledge about when it comes to hierarchy and spacing, all these little things matched up with Adobe Express makes it that much easier. Makes it it does a world of good when it comes to creating on the go and creating designs using their template. Adobe Express is a way of learning the fundamentals without being overwhelmed with the whole process of InDesign or Photoshop or Illustrator. It combines all those things in one, but it also exports to Adobe Express. So if you're using these apps from the Adobe Creative Suites and you need to send it over and make some quick adjustments, or you just need to send it over and make editable templates or client work, Adobe Express has got you. I think one of the biggest reasons why people use Adobe Express is simply because the speed of the app. Speed allows you to create on the go. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, but in this day and age, speed matters. Whether you're posting or repurposing content, Adobe Express allows you to do this. It gives you the option to give clients a preview of what it is that you're doing. And this makes your social media content posting turnaround extremely fast. I mean, you can take a picture, upload it into Adobe Express, use it and edit it through there or add it to a template, post it. You can even schedule it in Adobe Express, and Express does its job. It sends it out. You can add hashtags, music, all the good stuff, everything that you need in order to create this content, get it out there to your community. I don't like to say followers, community. One of the reasons why people really sleep on Adobe Express because they feel as though it's not elite. They feel as though it's not a premium product. They connected with Adobe and they don't understand this is free. It's offered to you for free. Now, again, it's going to be some things that are on a pro level that you may want to pay for. I pay for my subscription, so therefore I get access to everything, but it's free. Take advantage of it. Free 99. There's no gatekeeping the cloud. None. It's not only accessible, it's too accessible. It makes everything perfect. Like, take advantage of this, use it, understand it, get busy. Some people want to look skilled and have the skill and look of a designer. Well, Adobe Express is going to help you do that. So listen, in closing, if you're using Adobe Express and it helps you post more, it helps you make cleaner designs and stay consistent, understand it's doing its job. Use the tool that's going to keep you moving ahead, keep you moving forward, and keep you on schedule. And if you want Adobe Express tutorials mixed in with any of my content or any of these videos that I'm producing, leave it in the comments. Check me out in tomorrow's video.